If you ever looked at a payslip and wondered, how did they calculate this? Or maybe payee, national insurance, pensions, tax codes, and payroll, but you've got absolutely no idea what any of it means, then you are in exactly the right place. Welcome to UK Finance Explained, where we are going to build your payroll knowledge from the ground up. This is lesson 1 of the Payroll Fundamentals course. You don't need any previous experience, no finance degree, no accounting knowledge. I'll explain everything in simple English, one step at a time. By the end of the course, you'll understand how payroll works in the UK and have the confidence to understand payslips, calculate pay, and even build payroll systems in Excel. So let's get started with the most important question. What actually is payroll?